Oh no, I have a garden hose leak. I have a little pinhole garden hose leak and it's ruining the pressure on my garden hose. Maybe you have a similar leak and you want to know how to fix a garden hole leak. I'm going to show you really simple. First, you're going to want to get some duct tape, not duct tape, duct tape. You're going to go over back to your leaking garden hose. You're going to find that pinhole, that leak. You're going to take your duct tape. You're going to apply it firmly over the pinhole that's causing the leak in your garden hose. And you're gonna wrap it on tight. You wanna get it on there so tight. Boom, it's fixed. I don't see a leak. Do you? Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about